Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing I tried following a blank makeup tutorial because my other one did so well. So thanks for that. I'm doing a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. I've seen a couple people do this video, but I'm picking this video just because I have the palette that she's using. I don't own that many palettes, so it's gonna be very challenging. I know that because she does very challenging eye looks and super full coverage and everything, so I'm like nervous. Probably not gonna do good. If you want to see me recreate Nikkietutorials makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I don't have the iconic liquid drops, but I do have the Farsali Unicorn drops, so I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Liquid Lotion. I'm not as glowy as her, but I feel so hydrated and shiny.
For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the color Angel Food and mixing it in with a drop of Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation.
Okay, so I don't have a foundation. I only have one foundation. I have the Dior Forever foundation. It isn't full coverage, so I'm going to try to build it up as much as possible.
Hello, coverage. We have come home, baby.
Usually 3 pumps covers my whole face, and I just did 3 pumps on one cheek. Oh.
For concealer, I'm going to be using this NARS Complete Note.
Wait, hold on. She puts foundation on her lips.
Nope. Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Light 1, and this is my favorite concealer.
I don't have that concealer. I have Tarte Shape Tape like everyone else does, so I'm going to be using that.
And I'm going to bake my under eye area using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
Wait, is she not highlighting anywhere else? Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna be using my Coty Airspun powder in translucent.
And everything will be just fine.
She did her eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna go do that.
So I'm already primed, and now we're gonna move on to the first shadow. I'm going in with this Morphe 39A eyeshadow palette and taking this color right here called Cat Eye, and this is going all the way into the crease. And first I'm kind of stamping the color on in the shape that I want, and today I'm keeping the shape a little bit more rounded.
So I have the same palette, so I'm going to do the same thing as she is.
Going all the way to the inner.
I need to take a different brush. I think that's good. I don't know.
Now that you've got this very intense shape, you want to go in with a clean blending brush and buff out the edges.
Okay, so I'm taking this Morphe M513 brush and hopefully blending this out. Okay, I think I found the brush that blends it out. It's the e.l.f. contour brush. Okay, now that this is kind of blended out, let's keep going.
Now I'm going to take a little bit of the color Bear, and this is going to go right in between where it's looking a little messy.
Alright, so I'm using the same brush, I think, as she is. It's the Morphe M562, and I'm taking the first shade like her, and smoothing out the edges. Even though I kind of took it a little high up to my brow. This eye not as high. This one, you know, this one a little bit high.
So after all of that, you have something like this, but you can see that in some spots, the dark brown looks a little splotchy or ashy. So now we're gonna go back in with the dark brown to kind of reinforce it.
Oh, great.
Now it's time to focus on that horizontal smoky spotlight eye. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Select Cover Up to carve it out. And you wanna go right on the center of your eye, kind of stamp the brush down and drag it down towards the lid.
Okay, I'm gonna be using Tarte Shape Tape to do this. This is the part that I was nervous about, so I really hope I do good. Okay, I think that's the best it's going to get. Yeah, okay.
Smoky eye. For the horizontal one, you first want to create a smoky liner. So I'm going back in with that dark brown color on the lash line, blending up.
I'm gonna take it on a pencil brush, do the same thing.
Then you want to go in with a shimmer that's sort of like a mid-tone shimmer. So it's not your lightest shimmer, it's a mid-tone shimmer, I said that. And I'm using So Glam from that same Morphe palette. And you're applying this on top of the concealer, almost touching the far top edge of that concealer, but just leaving that top edge bare.
Okay, I'm going to be using the same shade, obviously.
Now on the very top edge, I'm going to use this pigment by Peaches and Cream. This is called Gatsby.
Okay, I don't have that, so I'm going to go into the Naked 2 palette and pick one of the shimmer shades, probably Verveille.
On the waterline, I'm applying the Jouer Slim Cream eyeliner in black. Then setting that with a black shadow, I'm using the one from the Morphe palette. And now smoking that lower lash line out using Evolve. For lashes, I'm now going to be applying the Tati lashes in TL24.
Okay, I don't have those, but I'm going to use Lily lashes in the style Goddess. Okay, so now that the lashes covered up all my mistakes, it's time to move on to the face. Okay, I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer in the shade, the regular bronzer shade. I think hers was the light shade.
Quickly, some additional contouring I cannot live without. You know, with all the turkey that's gonna go down my throat, I need to sculpt, honey, because I'm gonna look bloated.
I'm just gonna take a smaller brush and contour like she did. In her video, she didn't set the rest of her face, and I don't know. She probably did set her face and didn't record it. But yeah, I only set my under eyes.
For blush, I'm gonna go in with Barely Legal by Kylie Cosmetics.
Okay, I don't have that blush. I knew I wouldn't have a lot of her products, so I'm gonna use MAC Well Dressed.
Now I'm gonna highlight my face because I wanna look glowy AF during dinner. So I'm gonna go in with Glazed Donut.
I wish I had that highlighter. But I'm going to be taking MAC Soft and Gentle.
Now Now I'm going to be applying two Jouer lip creams, the matte ones. And the first color is Buff, and for a highlight, this one is so special. This is called Papaya. And
okay, the only thing I have closest to that is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Charming. It has like the gold shimmers in it too.
And of course some setting spray.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. I actually really like the eye makeup. It doesn't look like hers like perfectly, like the crease and whatnot, but I really do love the colors that are on this eye, and I love the smoked out lash. I never really do like a dark smoked out under eye. I don't know if she set her whole face. I know she probably did, but it wasn't in the video, so I was like a little confused. And I love the lashes with this look too. I think it looks so good. And yeah. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.